let's see the example number 3. So here x plus 3 y 5 plus 2 equals to minus 3 upon 2 it is given. So you have to solve it for x. At first what you will be doing, you will be transferring this positive 5 by 2 to the right hand side and it will become of minus, okay, so you will be getting a minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so you are having here minus 3 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. So minus 3 and minus 5, since you are having a same denominator, so simple it is to add them. Okay, minus 3 and minus 5. So minus 3 and minus 5 you will be getting a minus 8 upon 2, and 8 upon 2, that means 2 4s are 8. So a minus 4 you will be getting as answer. So x upon 3 in the left hand side it is, and in the right hand side you are having a minus 4. So this 3 will go into the right hand side. So x is equals to minus 4 into 3 it will become, because it is in the division in the left hand side. When you will be sending it to the right hand side, it will become of multiplication. So x is equals to minus 12 you will be getting. Okay, so you can check it by putting the value of x as minus 12. So put it in the left hand side and check it. If it is comes equals to the right hand side, then our solution, that is x is equals to minus 12, is correct. So let's put it. Instead of x you will be putting what? Minus 12. So it will become minus 12 upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Okay, so now cut it by 3, the 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so minus 4 plus 5 upon 2. Now take the LCM both the sides. So you will be having a LCM 2, but here you are having in the denominator 1. So 1 2s are 2, so 2 4s are 8. A minus 8 you will be having over here. So minus 8 plus 5 will give you a minus 3 and upon 2 as it is. So a minus 3 upon 2 since you are getting, and it is equals to the right hand side, that means the solution is correct. Okay, now the next one, fourth one, example 15 upon 4 minus 7x equals to 9. At first what you will be doing, you will be sending these numbers to the right hand side, and it will become what? It will become minus 15 upon 4. Okay, so minus 7x is equals to 9 minus 15 upon 4. Why? Because you have sent this 15 upon 4, positive 15 upon 4 in the right hand side. Now take the LCM. When you will be taking the LCM of these two numbers, what it will become? It will become 4 as LCM, and since you are having a 1 in the denominator of this 9, so 1 4s are 4 and 4 9s are 36. So it will become 36 minus 15. Okay, and 36 minus 15, how much you will be getting by that? You will be getting a 21. So it will become what? 21 upon 4. So minus 7x is equals to 21 upon 4. Now send this minus 7 to the right hand side, and it will going into the division, because in the left hand side it is in the multiplication. Now this 7 will cut this 21 by 3 times. Okay, so it will become a minus sign is here, so minus 3 upon 4 you will be getting as answer. Okay, so to check the answer whether it is correct or not, what you will be doing, you will be putting this value minus 3 upon 4 in this equation. Okay, so it will become 15 upon 4 minus 7 into minus 3 upon 4. So 7 3s are 21, and since here are two minuses, one minus is here, one minus is here, and they both are in multiplication, so they will be giving you a addition sign, or a sign of addition. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, so 15 upon 4 and 21 upon 4. So LCM is 4, add them, you will be getting a 36. So 4 9s are 36. So 9 you are getting in the LHS, and in the RHS also you were having what? 9. So our equation is correct. Now let's come to the exercise 2.1. So the first question says x minus 2 equals to 7. You have to solve it for the x. So what you will be doing, you will be taking this minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will become of positive. Okay, so 7 plus 2, and it will be giving you x is equals to 9. So this is the answer. Since he has not asked to check whether the solution is correct or not, so that is why we are not checking it, we just have done it. Now second question, y plus 3 is equals to 10. So what we will be doing, we will be transferring this 3 to the right hand side, so it will become of minus 3. So 10 minus 3 equals to 7. Okay, so what is the value of y? You will be getting as 7. Now in the third one question, you will be transferring this 2 to the left hand side, so it will become 6 minus 2, that is 4. Okay, and in the right hand side you are only with z, so z will be what, 4. Okay, this is the third one. Now in the fourth one also, you will be transferring this numeral terms to the right hand side. Since it is of positive, it will become of negative over here. So 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7, LCM is same, so they will be subtracted directly. Okay, x is equals to 17 minus 3 upon 7. 17 minus 3 is 14 upon 7, so you will be getting what, x is equals to 7 to the 14, so x is equals to 2 you will be getting as answer. Okay, 7 to the 14. Now question number 5, 6x is equals to 12. This 6 is in the multiplication in the left hand side, so when you will be sending it to the right hand side, it will be going in the division. Okay, so 12 upon 6 you will be getting over here, so 6 to the 12, so x is equals to 2 is the answer. Now here t upon 5 equals to 10, is this t is what, variable. Since this 5 is in division, so you will be sending it to the multiplication. Okay, so it will give you a 5 into 10, so t is equals to what, 5 tens are 50. Now question number 7, in this 2x upon 3 equals to 18. At first what you will be doing, you will be sending this 3 to the right hand side and it will be going into the multiplication, since in the left hand side it is in the division, so it will become what, 18 into 3. So 2x is equals to what, 18 into 3. 18 into 3 will be giving you what, 54. Okay, this is the sign of implies that. So 2x equals to 54. So this 2 will go in division when you will be transferring it to the right hand side. So what you are doing all the time, you are isolating the variable. Okay, and while you will be isolating the variable, in the next side you will be getting the answer in numeral terms whenever you are dealing with linear equation with one variable. Okay, so 227s are 54. So this is the seventh one. Now eighth one, what is this, 1.6 is equals to y upon 1.5. so this 1.5 is in division, so in the right hand in the left hand side it will be going in the multiplication. So 1.6 into 1.5 is equals to 5 y, sorry, so the multiplication of these two will be giving you 2.4. so what is the value of y? The value of y will be what? 2.4. Now the next question, question number 9. This minus 9 is in subtraction in the left hand side. So when you will be sending it to the right hand side, it will be going into the addition with the addition sign. So 16 plus 9 will give you 25. So this 7x, this 7 is in multiplication with this x. So when you will be transferring it to the right hand side, it will be going into the division. So the x value of x you will be getting as 25 upon 7. Now the question number 10, what you will be doing, you will be transferring this minus 8 to the right hand side. Okay, so it will become what, 13 plus 8, so 14y will be as it is, and this 8 will be going to the right hand side, so it will become 13 plus 8. Now this 13 plus 8 will be giving you a 21, so 14y is equals to 21, so y is equals to what, 14 will be going into the division because it is in multiplication in the left hand side. Now by 7 these two can be cutted, 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14, so you will be getting 3 upon 2 as answer for y. Now question number 11, at first you will be sending this numeral term to the right hand side, so it will become of negative since it is of positive in the left hand side. Okay, because we don't write the positive if we are not having anything before the number. So 17 will be going to the right hand side and it will be giving you a negative 17. So it will become 9 minus 17, and 9 minus 17 will become what, minus 8 when you will be subtracting it. So 6p is equals to minus 8. So p is equals to minus 8 upon 6. So when you will be cutting it with 2, so 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So minus 4 upon 3 will be the answer for p. Next question number 12. At first you will be transferring this 1 to the right hand side. Okay, so it will become of negative. So 7 upon 15 minus 1. So now we will be taking the LCM, since here in the denominator it is having only 1. So 15 and LCM of 15 and 1 will be 15 obviously. So 15 ones are 15, so 1 sevens are 7. So 1 15s are 15, so 15 ones are 15. Okay, so 7 minus 15 will be giving you a minus 8 upon 15. Okay, so x upon 3 equals to minus 8 upon 15. This 3 is in division in the left hand side. Okay, so this 3 you will be sending into the left hand side and it will be going into the multiplication. So 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, so it will become minus 8 upon 5, the value of x. Okay, so in every question what you are doing, you are the isolating the variable. In each of the question what we had done, we had isolated the variable on the one side, either in the left hand side or in the right hand side, and in the other side we have got the value of that variable in the numeral terms. Okay, so this is the end of the first exercise. Thank you.